Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys in my YouTube channel guys. Today friends, we are going to afford guys lava phone setting guys, and today video title is guys lava phone guys, how to set default font size. Friends, you want to set guys your default font size. Friends, you have changed guys your font size setting. Friends, your font size is too much increase and get too much decrease. So how to set into a default size mean medium size guys, you want to set. So how to set it and how can you use your font size setting in lava phone device. Today friends, I will show you in this video. Friends, first of all open your phone setting guys. So we will on phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this tab setting in your lava phone device. So friends, you will have to click on guys your phone display setting. So guys, we will click on the display setting. Then guys, you can see this tab setting. Friends, scroll it. Friends, you can see guys your font size setting is here. So guys, we will click on font size. As you can see, there are four sizes guys. First guys, small size, default size, large size, and friends extra large size. So friends, you want to set into default size, so guys small, and guys second is default size. So guys, you can see default font size. Friends, you can preview guys, you can check preview default font size. So friends, you can see font size will default, and friends, we can use get this default font size in lava phone device. And then shortly setting guys, you want to set a default font size guys. Open your phone setting, search bar on, and guys click here guys, and guys search here font size. Then you can see font size guys, you can set default size from here direct. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to set default font size in lava phone device. Friends, do depend out guys related to guys your display setting, you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye bye guys.